Step 1. To unfold back, lift up on both push handles until the back locks into place. Step 2. To fold down the back, push in both back locking levers and let the back fall down. Step 3. To unfold the chair, grasp one of the handles and tilt the chair slightly. Push down on the top of the cross brace on the side of the handle you are holding. Step 4. To fold the chair, lift up on the center of the seat upholstery at the front and back. Step 5. To install the footrest, align the two holes on the footrest hanger with the hanger pins on the front frame of the polyfly and let the hanger rest on the frame hanger bracket. Step 6. Swing the footrest towards the middle of the polyfly until it locks into place. Repeat steps 5 and 6 for the other footrest. Step 7. To remove the footrest, push the footrest release lever in and swing out the footrest. Step 8. When the footrest is swung as far as it will go, lift the footrest up and off the polyfly. Repeat for the other side. Step 9. Install the two anti-tippers by depressing the locking button and sliding the anti-tippers into the rear lower frame of the polyfly. Step 12. To disengage the anti-tippers, pull the anti-tipper rearward and swing 180 degrees until it locks in the upward position. Repeat for the other anti-tipper. Step 13. To apply the wheel locks when the polyfly is being used as a transport chair, pull up on the wheel lock to engage the wheel lock. When using the polyfly as a transport chair, the wheel locks must be engaged by the attendant, not by the person in the chair. Step 14. To remove the armrest, depress the arm release button and pull the armrest straight up. Step 15. To install the 24-inch rear wheels, depress the button on the quick release axle. Insert the axle into the 24-inch rear wheel from the hand rim side while keeping the quick release button depressed. Step 16. Turn the chair on its front side. Step 17. Depress the quick release button and 24-inch wheel in the axle sleeve on the rear of the polyfly. Step 18. To engage the wheel lock on the 24-inch rear wheel, push the wheel lock forward to lock the wheel.